see a cable? Did you see one? I don't know. Yeah, what's up, man?
Boy, that
Talk to me. Tell me what happened.
that I think the cooperative view, that slide.
Which one?
This slide, that whole area there with one slide. It did not come on my piece, it come down as a whole slide.
You see there? Not the just take it. If you go on top it, you stay on top and you taking everything from average to go down. That's what it is to do.
Right there.
You saw the pipe. You see all that was because of the pipe.
When the boiler burst, it make a tsunami on the back.
Where?
So it's pretty much.
By Vanilla there?
That's how we got the bodies.
Where?
The guys in the
Your
under there. Under this. With them inside.
Under
the cellar, so we got the 4 bodies. 5 for them. Yeah, right there.
For them. So what he did, when that slide came down, it took the cooperative, the distillery, and it full back to meet that other point of the road, and it caused a tsunami. Go back up and mash up.
Who saw me, boy?
Mash up under that guy around.
Yeah, man.
But see how deep, what happened there though?
That's
Like
what I'm
right
saying.
there.
A lot of volumes of water causes that.
Remember all that, if you know how there was before, all that area there was like landing. That was a piece of land that he had there. My father had a piece of from there coming that area. So now it eroded all those things go. I remember I take it from both sides. That ravine up there come down so while the river going on that way. So it again, huh?
I just saw it go on top of the
Boy, right going on top here. Boy, they're making them carrying the stuff.
So it right go on top of the streets there.
All that was much. Remember how flat that was before, right? Flat that thing was. Remember that was that is thing jeep that there. That is Balthazar jeep. Now that jeep was where is that jeep was in there? When you get closer to it, you check it again. That jeep there was in a garage. Park in a garage where it is there in that area. And the damage, see the amount of damage that's done to it. The whole the house they got the garage gone. That boy, that is messed up.
Alright.
Alright. Hey, what's up, man? Good? Alright. So that whole remember that was like Petite Savanne house was right there, you know.
Yeah.
You can see a little piece of the platform you can see there. So all that they've gone down to the river, everything. Boy. And that get 2 slides, you get this one and then the river, you know, that really go with Petite Savanne houses, you know. But that used to be my pig pen, that used to be my stuff.
Right there?
That was my pigs there, in there. When I got there, all that go down, all the pigs were floating in mud, swimming. Yeah. I was still there to get rid of them, shoot them up. Why? Yeah. Total devastation. Yeah, man. Now if you look closely up there, you would see these white things. That's the bottles what they used to put the beer rum before.
What is that?
Right, under the mango tree right there. That is, they used to put the beer rum in those things before.
Okay.
After shave, these things.
Yeah.
And this distillery was right there. Right where we standing, that was where the point. That was the point of where they were making the beer rum to put in them. And when that thing happened, when the explosion, I think it sent these bottles right
All the way up there.
to the top there. You know. And it was right there, you know. And then up that side.
Amazing.
Yeah, I can't recall the boiler, but the boiler itself, the size of the boiler was long about. That was holding how much gallons of water, you know. I think that was about almost 15 to 20 feet long, you know, the boiler itself, and big. So they, you know, they had a lot of pressure in that.
Yeah.
So one time it was boiling up is when that slide coming down, it maybe push out everything, so it burst up the pipe from the boiler, so it caused it to get loose, you know, and all the steaming out. That's Moses' house up there, Daniel.
What, the blue, green one?
Look, I thought that would go now when I saw that myself.
Okay, who's driving that truck? I'm walking. I'm walking. Omega, let's go. Omega.
I went down so far.
And then since you come back up here,
Omega, let's walk.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what happened. You recall what happened when you first came and you saw what you saw from. I think you stood
From
up
the top.
somewhere up there, right?
Yeah. I stood up there and I saw.
Walk ahead.
Yeah, I stood up there and I saw I saw this slide, and I did not see the cooperative. I said, well, the distillery is gone. And when I stood up there and I saw that big slide up there, I said, well, that family that is died, that is gone in those
Perished
slides. Perished
from
in those
over
slides. Yeah, from those slides up there.
up there.
And when I watched through Daru, I said, well, the people in Daru must be suffering something down there because the amount of volumes of water
Yeah.
the Ravages carry and the rivers carry. I said, well, because most rivers that was died, they didn't have much water in them. They was like big rivers, and they come and they meet with that river there. And I said, well, wow, I can imagine what that bridge going to pass through and the rest of Daru.
Yeah.
So I say, was that is a crucial, but and here there wasn't like that. You see right now all the places. It's like the soil wash away and the rocks stay. And it's like there wasn't like that. There was just sloping coming down straight down the road. And the water caused the erosion, carry soil and leave the rock, as you can see. The land leave the rock and the land.
The soil left.
Yeah.
Only what's left is rock.
It's rock. Yeah.
So
It's
it
rock.
washed away
Because
the
you had
soil.
no trees to hold the soil anyway.
Yeah.
If you had trees, big trees to hold the soil, well, the soil will not go. But it seems that the people.
And it looks like they were cultivating boarden there.
And the place is not flat anyway.
Yeah.
So when you get rain and you have places like that and rain.
So even with a lot of rain, let's say you have a lot of rain in the future, you're not gonna get a slide there readily because it's just rock that's
It's just rock
remaining.
that is there.
Yeah.
It's nothing again to carry again.
Yeah.
So only what I have to do is just run.
Wow.
Okay. Water.
Wow.
So that was the
So
place.
that much soil came down.
A
Look
lot
at the height
soil.
of that.
Yeah. Can't you see the amount of soil that was up there and all came down?
Wow.
There was about what? There was about it was the same height as that. It was the same height as that. And to me,
So where would Simon and them have been?
well, Simon and them would have been over there.
That's where they were talking.
That's where they were talking.
Okay.
Because when they saw that the river was coming down, they could not have crossed because while the river was passing over the bridge. So they get themselves on the next side of the bridge, which is over there. That they thought there was safe. They thought there was safe. And then
So
they-
where did they find the bodies really?
They really find the bodies there. in this building. Because when they saw the slide come out up there, they thought there would be safe for them to go and hide. But it wasn't no safe for them because when the distillery, this slide come down, it took the distillery, it blocked that whole area. It blocked this whole area there. So there become a pool of mud and dirt, and that river came down with a lot of stuff. So when it blocked that area, the boiler burst in between while the same instant that slide came down, we take the cooperative, there create a pool, same instant the boiler burst, the boiler
Exploded.
And got the tsunami go back up. So it actually bring back the water up. So those guys were up there, thought, well, that basement would be a safe place for them, but it wasn't a safe place for them. The tsunami, it caused a tsunami and it make a wave go back up. So those guys were in there. So took all the stuff, stones and everything, broke that piece of wall, as you can see, and broke this cantilever and entered. The whole basement was filled with dirt.
So were they inside or outside?
Yeah, they were inside. And I can show you right where we got inside.
So you were part of the rescue team?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Wow.
And the whole area was the road. The road was same level as this. This piece of road was coming to that same level, joining the bridge and going back down to. So these guys,
So that's like how many feet here?
that is about
15, 10 feet?
6 feet, 7 feet deep.
Okay.
We dug there. We dug there 7 feet deep. And we
7.
fill there about 10 feet deep.
10 feet, okay.
So yeah, from here to the river was about 20 feet deep.
20?
Yeah, it was 20 feet deep. From here to the depth of the river was 20 feet deep. So you see how deep it filled it up?
Yeah, it filled it up,
Filled
yeah.
it up a lot. And those guys were...
So where's Simon and them were? Okay, before the impact, where were they? Right here, around here or where?
It was around here.
They were around here talking.
When they saw this slide,
Uh-huh.
you see, this piece of cantilever of the guy. Well, he was living upstairs. He wasn't living downstairs. So the whole place was full of mud, as you can see. It broke. This was a whole piece of wall. It broke the wall and entered. As you can see, it's not here. It passed through. A little passed through here, but majority of the stuff
From here.
came from here.
So it looked like that whatever was the volume of mud and dirt and,
Yeah,
and
and
everything came from
Here.
the cooperative area.
Yeah. Come
Come in here.
because of the boiler exploded.
Yeah, because that tsunami like you
Because of
described.
tsunami, yeah. So this guy was here. We got one guy here.
Who you got here?
Small.
Where? What's his name?
Gavin.
Gavin was found where?
Gavin was found here.
Okay.
Jonathan was found here.
They were close.
Raphael was found. Yeah, they were very
Where was Raphael found?
Yeah. They was very close. It's like when they saw this stuff, it's like they tried to come to say, well, if the stuff wouldn't reach here, they never thought this stuff would come down anywhere. But the stuff, is, as you can see,
The height.
the height of the stuff is smashed. As you can see, the volume of the speed it entered, it killed them through there because, yeah.
So were you actively trying to look for them when you came in?
Yeah, because I met the first guy we met him here,
Oh,
Simon Laurent.
where did you meet
We
Simon?
met Simon Laurent. His feet was this column tear him apart.
Oh,
Yeah, it's had a big split right through there.
okay.
So it looked like when the slide, when the impact take him, he probably had tried to hide from that, but the pressure of it get him, I don't know, we met his body right there. His foot was around his column like this. It was like this. So they pull him out, put him there, put him on the concrete there. But when I came there, I told them straight, if we can get Simon there, the rest of the guys must be inside there because the stench is
The stench.
fresh. Yeah,
And the smell.
Yeah, I'll tell you them guys was inside there.
So you found
Yeah, we use hose like this. Hose like this, we take it through the river and we brought water into there and the water was carrying the dirt and we was using shovels and stuff and send out them stuff outside. That area had full up with stuff, a lot of stuff on this cupboard. But I told them, with the guy we found in the corner here, as far as was climbing from that column go back, and we didn't get nobody from that column go back to there. We get no further guys there. There didn't have no more fellas. So the rest of guys, I suspect, in the wave, it swiped them away. The Plex and...
so Plex and them tried to get here too?
Yeah, they tried to get there, but the Hatton took them.
Wow.
Yeah, it was very crucial.
So I mean, I look at you even not only talking about it, but you are also demonstrating what you saw.
Oh yeah.
You never had that experience before. I mean, deaf and
Oh, deaf. No,
no.
not really.
So how weren't you like afraid or
No.
But
I
you
was-
knew Simon is married to your sister.
Yes, I
And
knew
you and Simon are like
because
friends and grow
he
up.
left his home in the morning and said that he was going to look for his mother. I was living down there in
just
the
down
house.
the road,
there.
yeah.
So he went and saw, when he went, he didn't see the mother, so he was coming back up. So in his coming back up at his home, the river had already crossing over the bridge. He could not
So you
cross.
couldn't cry.
So the same time this guy came down, he said he feel was, he had another guy that was, it almost took him and he had to he grabbed that tree. That caused him not to this side of it. He grabbed that tree, which is Fabian. So he had to grab this tree. But you can see the impact. There was never like this. And the impact of it, dig out it. Yeah. So you can imagine it coming like a bomb. Coming like a roaring bomb with stones and trees and mud. When we got Raphael, we got him a big split in his forehead.
Inside there.
inside there. Yeah. And he was still breathing after 2 days. He was still, his blood was still running through his head. And it was like, what I said that if those guys had actually come through there, nothing what would have happened. Because that corner didn't even get any sun. As you can see. Right, your area, come back here, to there. Then I always go.
And what was the
This is a
height?
generator Kevin Darrow gave the fan.
What was the height of the mud?
The height of the mud was
Around, show me on the wall. Show me on the column, the beam, the column. Around that height? That's a lot. And you say it did not go too much at the back?
So then I said, if they had come from that area there, probably somehow the other probably would have broke, but they would not have died.
What if they had go out of the building?
If they had go out of the, if they had passed through this building, go out of the building.
They'll be okay.
And this generator is a generator thing that gave family. In terms of the election. That's what they did. We use bribe to get people to vote for them. So we use the generator now. I look a lot there, I look hard there, to get them coming out of there. Very hard there. I look very, very hard there to get people out. And you can imagine the impact of this brick, this cantilever, the impact of coming in. Broke it, because when it made the wall and it hit the wall, it had to burst the wall to enter. The impact of it hit this thing because it broke.
So there was a wall right there?
Yeah, there was a wall right there. With a window. A door, actually a door, yeah. A door right there.
So they thought they were safe?
They thought they were safe there, but they wasn't safe there. But if they was up there, they would have survived. But seeing that he was there because they fought well, that stuff we're gonna enter in there. That stuff that pool and that Paris and that around before that people going on in the river. But the boiler caused that erosion in the boiler that caused that impact in it. It's nothing like this slide came down in there. It's nothing like this slide came in there. It's the boiler, when the boiler exploded, it caused a tsunami back up. Because this slide blocked that whole area with the river in it. So the river is coming down rigid. So it caused a pool. So when the boiler burst now, because it burst the pool, and the impact of it came up there.
I see. Wow.
Very terrible.
I'm still thinking of how you described finding Simon right there,
Yeah,
where you're standing.
Yeah.
And what went through you? I mean, you knew it was Simon, or how did you feel really?
Well, I stood up there and I saw Simon lie down right there because his brother had to come and get him.
Okay.
His brother come and his brother watch and his brother see Simon. He take Simon up there. But when they tell me Simon is there, I said, well, the rest of the guys must be in there. And
So they put his body right there.
Yeah. And they covered him with a
Right
plastic and they covered him with a plastic and because all that stuff there was in there. And a lot of the stuff that even go down to the river was in there.
So you actually went that way and started actively digging and looking for the other bodies.
Yeah.
Did you actually pull anybody out? Or
Yeah. I did pull all the guys out.
Okay.
Barry and I. And this is the pipe we use. This is the pipe we use. This is the pipe we use. Get water from the river and put into the mud. Wash the mud. While we are stripping the stones and all that stuff. Understand?
Did you find them in any particular positions, or did they look like they were hiding
Like
from
the
something?
sun,
Yeah.
Impact,
Yeah.
When they feel the impact, they feel.
Most of them were like-
After me. It's like sitting a spoon after me. Style.
Yeah.
So most of the guys we get them like this.
In a fetal position,
Yeah.
kind of trying to protect their face.
It's like when they feel the impact, it's like they go to the wall.
Yeah.
And it's him. And That's what it is.
Were
All the guys, so we got them.
their bodies crushed or just they look okay? Their body.
The body looked. The only guy we got was Raphael, which his body
The head.
big scar in his head, big burst in his head, and they was burnt. Some of them had a lot of burnt because I suspect the boiler.
So you mean the water was that hot? I mean they got burned in here.
No, they got burnt from the boiler. The impact of the boiler, the steam of the boiler. Because Raphael, when I hold him, his hand was peeled.
So where was Raphael when the boiler exploded?
Well, Raphael was working at the
Distillery.
at the time. But his shift was ended.
Yeah.
So he had to leave and go. So two other persons had to come and take over.
Right.
So in moving up, that stuff happened.
So, but you mean to tell me that Raphael was somewhere out there when that happened and it sent him in here?
Simon too.
Oh, so they were not in here.
They wasn't in. No, there was.
They were out there.
Some of them was on their way in, and some of them looked like was coming.
Okay.
So the impact of it sent
them in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Wow.
Raphael had burn. He had a lot of burn.
Wow.
His weight, he had a lot of back.
So that this area served like an entry point for the force of mud and everything to come in, because that created like a hole there for
when the seed was coming, they tried to run in.
Yeah.
I think that would be safe for them.
Yeah. You just.
So it does. And that's how they get. It was very good shot again.
Yeah.
It was very.
Well.
Yeah.
What can we say?
It was,